What's going on, Bite Like Cali fam, man? We back out here, another edition. We at the fishing spot, man. Hey, look, I don't think y'all understand. If y'all been watching, y'all have always watched, y'all know about the fishing spot, man. It is flooded right now. It's about to storm crazy, but we about to get to it, man. Let me see if we can get a good post up real quick. Let me see if we can get a good little post up. Oh, can we get it? Off the fishing tackle box. Here we go. So, y'all see, we got a little thing, same thing we caught the little crappie on. We gonna see what we can do. From the sidewalk, y'all. From the side. Alright, bet. We good to go. In between the drum. There we go. We're gonna let it a little bit, get out a little bit. Can't see the bobber, y'all. So I'm really fishing blind, really just running up the field. I can't see the bobber down there. Hey, y'all, the water is up probably like, the water probably up like 4 feet right now. I gotta get out here. So the bobber is down like 3 poles down right now. We gonna see if we get some. We got the dance in the current right now. Yeah, man. Hey, we get some, I'll be back, man. Yeah, we outside. Fishing right before a storm. Water's up like 4 feet, man. This is crazy. Thought I had some. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on. I don't know if y'all can see the bobber. Where is that? Yeah, y'all can't even see it. Oh, there you go. So you can see the bobber sitting right there in between the poles. I'm letting it just sit in the little still part of the current, letting the current do the work. You see the bobber. You can't even see it. Look at that piece of that log. I didn't know what that was at first. Yeah, man, so like I said, man, storm hit out here. It's been raining like crazy. I said, let me come out here and at least try. Let me at least try. So that's one thing you can do. You can't be mad at yourself if you at least try. So we out here, man. Be crazy if I hook up on something, man. But if we hook up on something, I'll be back. Yeah.